I don't know whether it's dead. I'm pretty
sure it's dead. Can you
So-
just pick it up?
Okay. Can you record this?
I am recording it.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't know if you noticed, but Shibbo brought in a dead bird.
Okay.
So,
Let's just not make this be a whole thing, though. Pick it up. You can do it, bud. I believe in you.
okay, picking it up.
You're okay. You're doing great. I'm really proud of you.
Okay.
But you gotta just get it done.
Sweet is buddy. Oh, whoa. That is one flexible neck. I did. Oh, jeez, that scared me. Do you think his neck is popped off? I have no idea.
I don't think it'll pop off. I think it's pretty well attached.
And you're pretty sure it's dead.
I feel confident that it's dead because it would be moving around a lot if it was, because you keep touching it and stuff. Can you just do it real quick?
Okay.
Just,
I did not expect for Shibbo to bring in a bird.
you're doing it. Now take it outside. Don't put it down in a bunch of different places in my apartment.
Okay. Where do I put it?
Just put it, like, off to the side.
Off to the side?
Off to the side.
Okay.
Are you proud of yourself, Shibbo? Are you an amazing hunter?
Okay, I did it.
Great job. Now go wash your hands.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I did it.
Amazing.
I'm so proud of myself.